Bunch of birds all over the place. Pretty cool. See if we can get them to go. A bunch of them. Where did y'all come from? You're all lining the power lines even. A bunch of them, jeez. They just keep on coming, going back and forth from this place to this place. Bunch of birds, wow. Wonder what they're all doing. Pretty cold out. Yeah, it's actually a warm day today. It's about 20 something. Shoot. Pretty cool seeing all the birds though. Yeah, no. Oh, there they all went. Whoa. Scattered that pile. Whoops, didn't mean to. Alaskan moose in an Alaskan neighborhood where I walk. Beautiful moose. They come down from the mountains every now and again and come down and graze in the neighborhoods for a bit. Yesterday I see birds, today I see a moose. See if we can get a better visual of them without disturbing him in his natural environment. Sure is a beautiful moose. Let me walk around this tree here. Pretty big boy. Hopefully he's a friendly one, won't attack me. Most are friendly here and domestic in Anchorage, but you never want to take your chance and get too close with them, because you can piss them off. He just comes down and is grazing right now, eating some trees and stuff, and he's probably going to go back up to the mountains here. We'll watch him for a little bit more as soon as he decides to walk off and get out of here. Hi, Mr. Moose. Yep, you're being videoed. You come down to get some trees, huh? I'll see you later, buddy. I'll let you go. Don't want to piss you off by following you or something. He's gonna go walk down the road probably and go eat some more trees somewhere else, but you guys know how moose are here. But the reason why I talk like I do is in case of people that don't get to see moose and stuff, that see my video, and yeah. Pretty big moose. Alright, he's just gonna walk down the road and I'm gonna walk my way back down to my house because I'm walking back home, so. Alright, everybody. Cool moose.